All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again. This is lesson 5 of our beginner basic forex trading course. Okay, and in this lesson I want to talk about the forex lot size. Okay, but before we do that, let me get my pen real quick. Before we talk about the lot size, okay, there's something I want to bring to your attention. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, so we have what we call a base currency. Okay, and we also have what we call a quote. Okay, a quote currency. Okay, so for a pair like let's say you're trading a pair like the USD against the Swiss franc. Okay, against the Swiss franc. Okay, or for another pair, let's say the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, so in this case, okay, your base currency will be the first currency. Okay, so in this case it will be for the USD Swiss franc, your base currency will be the USD and your quote currency will be the Swiss. Okay, same thing applies to this example. Your base currency in this pair, okay, for the Aussie dollar against the CAD, the base currency will be the Australian dollar, and your quote will be the Canadian dollar. Okay, so just keep that in mind because I'm gonna be using that to explain what I'm going to be showing you. Okay, all right, so we have 4 different types of lot sizes. Okay, so starting off we have the standard lot. Okay, and the standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency, also represented as one lot. Okay, so what this means, let's say you're trading the Aussie against the US dollar, okay, at a rate of 1.2, okay, and you want to buy it at one lot, okay, which is the standard lot, okay, which is the standard lot size. So you will receive 100,000 units of the Australian dollar, but in return you will give away 120,000 units of the United States dollar because you're trading it at a rate of 1.2. Okay, all right, so the next one we have the mini lot. The mini lot is 10,000 units of the base currency, also represented as 0.1 lot. Okay, next we have the micro lot, which is 1,000 units of the base currency, also represented as 0.1 lot. Okay, then lastly we have the nano lot. Okay, this is below 1,000 units. Okay, so some brokers are able to provide you with a lot size or a nano lot which is below 1,000 units. They can, let's say, provide you with 950, 800, and so on and so on. Okay, all right, so quick recap. We talked about the standard lot, and we say this is 100,000 units of the base currency. Okay, also represented as one lot. Okay, and we talked about the mini lot, which is 10,000 units. Okay, also represented as 0.1. Next we talked about the micro lot, which is 1,000 units of the base currency, also represented as 0.01 lot. Then we talked about the nano lot being below 1,000 units. Alright, so I've come to the end of this video. I'll see you in another one. Bye.